Hello everyone. Why UX matters for SEO? Why is UX important for SEO? In the context of SEO behavior, metrics measures user engagement and the relevance of pages content to user search intent. To become a user-friendly resources and bolster its search engine rankings, a web page must optimize for these makers of quality UX designs. So, how does UX relate to SEO? Think of the partnerships of SEO and UX this way. SEO targets search engines and UX targets your website's visitors. Both share a common goal of giving user the best experience. Here are some common website elements that impact both SEO and user experience. SEO plus UX success SEO plus UX is equal to success minus search engine land. So does UX affect SEO? Hence, optimizing your website for a better user experience can also help improve user SEO. Several different UX factors can impact your SEO, including site speed, mobile friendliness, permalink structure, content menus, and headers, and user management. How user experience affects SEO in 2000? How user experience matters for SEO. Why UI and UX are crucial for SEO. UX and versus UI is essential for keeping clients satisfied, and it can positively impact your search engine optimization SEO ranking. Search engines are evolving and now place more emphasis on user experience. It means that sites with quality UX and UI are more likely to rank higher in search results. So, how to improve SEO with UX designs? Simplify your site's navigation, utilize UX designs to SEO-friendly layouts, harness search data to inform site architecture, optimize for site load speed, and ensure mobile responsive. And 5 fundamentals of UX design that impact SEO are here. Which SEO factor is affected by bad UX? Low dwell time. This is the time between user clicking on a search engine and coming back to SERPs. If the dwell time is very low, 1 or 2 seconds, then that is a signal that web page did not satisfy the searcher. And moving ahead, what makes SEO successful is UX and SEO ranking factor. US and SEO, they take away these signals of engagement can be used by search engines to rank website higher in search result, as they are seen as indicators of relevance and quality. The takeaway is that UX and SEO are intertwined and should be considered together when designing and optimizing a website. So what are the 3 ranking factors of SEO, including UX, and how UX matters? So number 1 is high quality content, number 2 mobile first, and page experience, page speed, on-page optimization, external and internal links. So this is all about UX matters for SEO.